great concept, more important than winning and losing. The concept of beyond boundaries, the sponsors, to raise money. It's not an easy job.
As I said, the concept's just fantastic. I think it was well played in a nice atmosphere.
It's been an absolutely amazing experience for us, For us, India is a huge growing tourism market for us. We grew 40% in tourism numbers this year alone. So for us, having the likes of the Indian legends like Mr. Kapil Dev next to me and Mr. Roger Pinney, Dilipin Sarkar, AJ Jadeja, so many great Indian cricketers. We have such a huge following in India. It's been wonderful.
Wonderful, wonderful. I think it's a tremendous effort that has been put in. Lovely environment, lovely place to play, good fun, and fairly competitive cricket that we played. You saw everyone bowling, fielding. There's a lot about it, which shows that the spirit is still alive.
Beyond boundaries just keeps, us older guys in the game, and to make contact with the former players that we played against. Fantastic idea.
Absolutely great experience. As I said before, the excellent setting. I think we are not played in this sort of atmosphere before. It's a great setting for us.
We are in developmental sport, but also we're not forgetting our legends that have actually done great work for us, and we keep the memories going. And I think that, in essence, for me, was a key factor, is to be part of some memory.
Are these 4 days worth remembering? If I have to remember my top 10 holidays, this will be definitely one, and not my, I think, entire team of mine.
They're so unusual with the facilities and what they found. But the concept is a great concept. I think it's for world cricket. You need ex-cricketers to maintain contact.
I think it's one of the best experiences that I've ever had, and I've had a few good in my life. Setting like this is unimaginable. Even when Jaideep was saying that, I've thought of a ground and it looks like this. I mean, I was having that conversation, but I couldn't even imagine what we were going to see. As soon as you came over that hill today and you saw the setting from the top, it just showed how much work and effort has gone in to make this look like, never seen before.
No, it has been a wonderful, wonderful experience bringing all these great cricket legends to this great, unique game in the wild. As far as winning and losing is concerned, I think in every sport you'll end up having one team which loses, the other is on the other side. But I think the game of cricket has been the winner here, and I think what we went out to try and achieve, we've been able to do so.